Let's go, man. I just woke up. The new sniper came out. I'm about to body people with it all day. I'm about to get the nastiest 10 kill feed with the new Barrett 50 cal. You know what I'm saying? Stopping power, deep impact. Kids are going to get wrecked, dude. Here's somebody with it. I'm scared. I need more ammo, brother. Where are my bullets going? Thank you. Give me my Barrett 50 cal, dude. What's good with it? Who's trying to get the clapping, dude? You over there? Trying to get the... Oh my god, this thing's got one bullet in it, bro. It reloads 30 times or once every 30 minutes, bro. How? I'm pissed. Guess you can't shoot through that, man. Feels bad. This thing legit feels like I'm holding a tree stump, dude. Oh, that man just got boppered. The reload is legit 30 seconds. Like, that's actual facts. 30-second reloads. Oh, whatever, dude. All right. I'm outie. Yikes. Thoughts on the new sniper? It's really broken. You have 2 of them. You can have them in squads, bro. Say me and Chloe both have the new sniper. There's a guy sitting in a 1x1 behind one layer of a wall. We both shoot him in the head. Whoever hits first will break the wall. Whoever shoots second is gonna kill the guy.
Go look. I'm gonna quick scope this guy. You ready?
Oh my god. Ooh. Yeah, he's in the basement of that hut by the vending machine.
He came out. Look, look. Let's get it. This thing's actually sick. It's actually sick. Oh my god. Woo! It feels good too, dude.
Uh, 16! 16! Chat, 16. Bruh, get out of here with that shit. That was a point blank, back of the head, 80-ish pump shotgun shot.